Hello, in this lecture series, uh, we will study the solid-state photochemistry, mostly covering the solar cells, photocatalyst, and water spreading materials and the devices to understand the mechanism of these photo-induced effect. And in this first video, I will introduce the course description. The reason for this lecture is the energy demand in the world has been increasing, especially for the renewable energy resources, as shown here. Especially the energy of sunlight is very promising because it has potentially 100 times larger energy than the human demand. And then there have been, in the last 20, 30 years, there have been lots of solar devices have been developed, such as solar cells and photocatalyst, water splitting, and photosynthesis. However, there have been not so many studying resources to cover the basic understanding of these photo devices, because it needs multi-disciplinary fields of studies such as optics, chemistry, physics, and also electromagnetics, and also engineering. So there's been not so many studying resources. That's why I started this lecture. So in this lecture series, I will start from the very basics of the electromagnetic waves, and to describe how to describe the interaction between light and materials. And then next, some of the optics and the spectroscopy used for, especially for device analysis or device or material analysis, will be introduced. And also, in any photo devices, photo-induced charge carriers are important. So photo-induced charge carriers are generation and separation. Separation meaning the positive and negative charge, which is most important part of this, based on the band structure of the solid, especially at the interface. Very important concept called the band bending is the key topic for this. And I will introduce the band bending when the various structures, the metal, semiconductor, insulator, and also liquids have a contact with each other to make a band bending, which promotes charge separation and charge extraction. And finally, at this point, we could probably understand the various junctions and study the various devices of solar cells, photocatalyst, water spreading, and so on.